Behind the high standard of services that we provide is the rigor and regimen of accreditations. The NAAC accreditation that we have, which is A++, is probably the highest that can be awarded to a university. And behind this, we offer the best of services in every area. We have formulated policies in terms of student care, accessing the grievances and solving them, providing you the best of digital content, constantly innovating on our delivery of services to you, and also making sure that the online programs are equivalent to the campus programs and they can stand the rigor of placements as well as the skills that are developed and the knowledge that is given to you as any other conventional program in the country and even globally. With such a kind of rigor, I am sure that you can be convinced that we comply with every specifications, every regulation given to us by UGC, AICTE, NAC and many other accreditations. For your information, we also have campuses at Hyderabad and these services are also extended to the students there.